Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Yes, we've got another hotel stay review. It's more of like a little studio apartment right on the seafront. Yes, it's called Beaconsfield Apartments here in Bridlington. So yeah, let's go up and look at what it's like inside. Apartments. We got this one here with a balcony on it. Let's go in, check it out. So here we are in the little lobby. Get some little toys for your kids. Got a Christmas tree up. We've got some little games to play. Yeah, it's quite a nice little apartment. We are here in room 2. So let's go in and check it out. Right, we are inside. Oh, it's very flickery that light. You're greeted by 2 doors. That one goes into the living area, that one to the bathroom. Just a little bit of info here about the heating controls, and I'll cut off that bit because that's got the Wi-Fi password on it. But yeah, just got a little bolt lock in it. Right, here we go inside Beaconsfield Holiday Apartments in Bridlington, and we're greeted with a Kaz.
Hello!
How you doing, Kaz?
I'm good, thank you.
Right, where should we start this tour? Let's start with the back of the door. We've got our jackets on there. It's got this weird bit. I've actually wanted to see what's up here. It's probably, this place being quite dirty. There's probably stuff all on top of there.
I don't know.
We won't know till the video, till we get it uploaded.
Spiders.
Yeah, but I don't understand that bit. It's just a big gap above the room. And a pipe going across. But yeah, right, so we've got a nice little hook on the door. Greeted by a fire blanket, and then into the kitchen area. So I'll step back. The kitchen area is not a bad size, just for a little studio apartment. Lots of cupboard space.
Yeah. Nice
oven, we've already used that. So what have we got in here then? We've got a little cupboard. So this is where you can hang your clothes up. You've got an iron and an ironing board, and a little sweet thing. Yeah. Little clothes. I don't know why they've got a clothes rail. There's no washing machine, but yeah, got a clothes rail. Got a little extractor fan, and you've got your oven with your 4 hobs on top, and a decent size oven. They supplied tinfoil on top of these things here. I've already used one of them, so the tinfoil's come off of it. But we'll get to that when we're in the cupboard. Got your oven mitt, always handy to have. They have supplied us with some tea, a couple of tea bags, some sugar and some milk with a kettle, so that's nice. You've got washing up, they've supplied us with that, a tea towel and some little cloths. Right, but there's no plugs by the bed, so that's why our phone chargers are plugged in over here. You've got some cutlery, so you've got all what you need. Tin opener, combined with bottle opener. Proper bottle opener there, and some nice, another bottle opener. Guess they think a lot of alcoholics come here. And underneath, it's just a toaster. That's all what's in that one. Right, so we start with the top ones. We'll open both of them up. So this one, you've got your plates, bowls, cups. There's a chopping board up there. It's not bad. And then in this one, has your glasses. But a lot of our glasses have been used, so they're there. So yeah, they're just drying. Got a little utensil thing, a few bits and pieces in there for cooking, and a microwave. Right, then underneath, this is where you find all your cooking stuff. So you've got your pots and your pans, your strainers, frying pans. That's the one we used, but had the tinfoil on it. And yeah, nice little serving tray there. So yeah, that's what's under there. And then a small little fridge with a tiny compartment for freezer on it. Got some beers in here, some local ones that I picked up. And there's a little freezer compartment, it's not the biggest. And leftover Chinese we're going to have tonight. So showing that ain't saying, that could have been a little cupboard there. Right, So moving around, you've got a bin and a little table area in this nice little grooved out window bit with a sea view. Look at that. Fantastic sea view out there. It's a bit cold and wet today. We are in the end of December. Got a nice big mirror. Here I am, proof I am here. But yeah, that's a nice little seating area. We've had dinner there now, a couple of nights. Cooked the first night and had a takeaway last night.
Yeah.
And then you've got a TV on the wall. A little radiator, which isn't the best. So we've got a second radiator, what they've supplied, which was tucked in down there. We've got that and plugged that in because it is quite cold. Got this little chest of drawers. Nice little plant they've got on here. Little IKEA plant, the fake ones. Little chest of drawers, nothing in them, but you've got the games outside. But if you wanted to put your clothes away, you've got that. Then you've got your sofa,
Yeah.
which Kaz is testing out. How's the sofa?
Yeah, it's very comfy actually. Yeah.
Yeah, you like it there?
Yeah.
Nice and cosy at night, sitting there watching a bit of TV.
Yeah, watching a bit of TV into and out.
Yeah, you've got your little table next to you,
Yeah.
which is quite handy because there's two there, so you can pull the other table out and put it the other side. So we've both got a table to put our drinks on at night.
Yeah.
So yeah, you like this place?
Yeah, it's nice.
Right, we'll get your thoughts on it at the end, but we'll finish the tour first. So here is your heating thing. It stays on for 45 minutes. But yeah. Right, and then you've got this lovely little seating area here, which looks out over the sea.
Yeah, I can actually see the seas today.
But not only that, you've got a balcony. So let's go and get really cold. I'll just show you the balcony quickly. So yeah, here we are on this cold, wet, windy day. Nice little area. With a little seating area out there. But yeah, very, very nice. It's a bit cold, we'll shut that for now. But yeah, if you don't want to stay here, there is a Premier Inn literally right next door. But I find this place is better. I do like these chairs. These chairs are quite comfy. I've sat here.
I think they're from IKEA.
Were they? I don't know. I sat there and had a look out over the sea. You get quite a nice view. You sit down here. You lay back. I'll put you at head height. There you go. I sometimes have this one open as well.
I thought it was going to break, Alan.
No, it's fine.
I was going to break at the back.
I've got to try and get on that. Oh. Right. Then, finishing it off in this part of the room, we've got a nice double bed with this little extra blanket they put on it, which Kaz was using last night.
Yeah.
Keep her warm. Nice little picture there. I think you're in paradise in the sun and sea. 2 bedside lamps and 2 little chest of drawers. So yeah, that's this bit of the room. I think this was all right. I'll tell you how much this cost us at the end. But yeah, nice little sea views. Right, let's go check out the bathroom. Right, and here we are back at the flickering light. Into the bathroom we go. So yes, you're greeted with a nice big shower. Had to supply my own shower gel. They don't supply anything really in here. One toilet roll there was, we bought some more. And you have to bring your own towels. But all the kitchen stuff is provided, which is handy. So yeah, so you've got the back of the door. Again, these are really high ceilings. Got the light switch there. A little hang thing there to hang out your dressing gown or whatever. And the towels that we brought, nice towel rack. So you've got the shower. I've got this little bit up here, which is quite high up, even for me. So Kaz has put hers on the floor. A little scrunchie. And my shower gel, I just put it on top of the shower. But that's quite a nice shower, that. Right, moving around, you have got the toilet scrub brush and a bin. Nice toilet, lots of space. There's the toilet roll holders, which like I said, I only had the one. We bought a spare one, we've been here for a few days now. We've got a nice mirror with a sink. And then you've got this down here. I don't know if this was meant to be in the shower originally, but that's the ones that go on corners. So I don't know if there was a planning to put that up, maybe on that back corner, and decided against it, and that's why they've gone with this one all the way up here. I'm not sure. But yeah, you're a long way up in here. Put the light at the top. Yeah, that's the apartment. So let's go and tell you how much it cost us and give you our little review. Right, and that was the tour of Beaconsfield apartment here in Bridlington.
Yeah.
So what are your thoughts on it, Kaz?
I liked it here. It was nice and cosy. Yeah, although it's a little bit small in here, it's got everything you need in it. It's nice and clean and modern.
Yep, definitely clean and modern.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't show you what I found.
What did you
You
find?
can have a light on at night now. I didn't show it in the video, I forgot.
You have what in the night? What?
There's a switch down there, I turned on, it's lit that back bit up blue.
Oh!
So you've got a light in here at night.
Oh, I see, yeah.
So you can have the main light off.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Learned something new. I was
Oh,
meant to
cool.
mention it in the video, I forgot. But yeah, there's a backlight behind the TV,
Oh, I
like
see,
an LED
yeah.
thing.
LED light, yeah.
It's quite nice. So yeah, perfect location right on the seafront. They supply parking for you. You have to text them your registration on the day you come in. And they put it here for the days.
I think they register it on an electrical system or something, so you don't get a ticket.
Yeah.
So that's good.
But yeah, it's a pretty nice place right on the seafront.
Yeah.
It's good that they've supplied all the beach stuff out there for kids if they want to come. And some games for the evening. The TV's not a smart TV, so it's just got your normal channels from like 1
Basic
to 100 or whatever it
channels,
is.
Yeah.
Just your, what they call it?
Preview.
Preview, that's it. Preview channels, yeah. And it does get quite cold in here, which is why we've got the extra heater on.
Yeah.
But if you come in here in the summer, it'll be fine. But yeah, it's just nice for 2 people just to come here. You've got everything you need. You've got your seating area, 2 seating areas and a sofa.
Yeah.
The bed, TV, all your cooking facilities.
It's got everything you need in it, self-contained in one room, basically.
Yeah, and you're literally like 5-minute walk to the town centre.
Yeah.
So yeah,
It's a good location.
nice
yeah,
Wetherspoons up the road you went in, weren't there?
Yeah, there's a Wetherspoons nearby, which is really good.
And like I say, if you've got other people that are coming that don't want to pay for something like this, Premier Inn right across the road, so you all stay in near each other.
Yeah.
But yeah, so how much did we pay for this place? It was £81 a night, which I don't think is too bad considering you've got the whole apartment
Yeah,
and a little balcony bit out there as well.
That's quite reasonable, isn't it?
So yeah, you pay like 50, 60 sometimes for hotels, maybe more than that. And you've literally just got a room. I know this is just a room, but you've got the kitchen facilities if you want to cook a nice meal, like we have done.
Yeah.
And you've got seating facilities to have takeaways.
Yeah, we took away last night, didn't we?
It's just nice and cosy just to sit there. In the summer it'll be nice with a balcony to sit out and look at the sun and the beach and the sea. But in the winter it's not as recommended.
No.
But yeah, I quite like this overall. I'd probably give this a 9 out of 10, this place.
Yeah, I'll give it an 8 or 9 out of 10 as well.
8 or 9 out of 10, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. Where are we going to put next?
Don't know.
We don't know yet. We haven't planned anything.
Haven't planned it yet.
But there'll be more hotels / apartment reviews.
Yeah, there'll be more reviews soon, coming soon.
If you do want to book this, I booked it through booking.com. I will put all the details down below. They've only got, I think it's 3 apartments here. They're all key coded outside. You put the number in, you get your key out and you come in. 2 sets of keys though, which was good if you wanted to split up. If you wanted to leave Kaz here to go down the beach one day and I wanted to go into town.
Yeah,
So
in order to do separate things, you mean.
There's 2 keys, yep. So that's handy because a lot of places only give you 1 set. But yeah, other than that, just like to say thank you all for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching everyone.
And as always, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
Bye for now.